Welcome to this episode of Accounting for Small Business with business accountant Georgie Klein.
One of the questions I've been asked lately is how do I handle cash, bartering, trade, and non-cash type of transactions? Cash is king. But if you're going to declare income and you're going to keep track of your income, I say deposit it. I know it's very tempting if you're given cash, deposit it and put it in your pocket. But if you do collect cash and you do put it in your pocket, you cannot keep track of how much money you actually earn. And you cannot compare one year to another year and know if you've grown. So it's very important to me that even if somebody gives me cash, it is deposited. From all my reading of the government, the one industry that the government is watching is cash-based companies. So please be aware of that and that you are on a target list to be audited if you are an industry that in general collects a lot of cash. So please beware and make sure you keep track of your cash and your income of all sources. If you're doing trade for business, that is also important. And it happens in the industry. Make sure you have some kind of agreement and make sure you have a way to monitor how much your income is versus the expense. So you do hour for hour, dollar for dollar, just so that you have a common agreement of how you're going to recognize the income and the expense. You can also offset it as a business expense if your trade is for a business, or if it's not, then you have to record it as an owner's draw as a personal expense. So I do record all my trades so that at the same time I know 100% of how much your income is. Bartering. Bartering is also a way to get business. There is a company out there that I have a friend that owns the company. It's iTex, and you can generate income that you normally would not get. And you would generate income, some services. In exchange, you have a whole range of products and services that you can receive in exchange for the barter. You are attracting income that maybe you would not receive previously to that point from a different type of industry. There are also other ways of generating business and doing promotions. Groupon is a way, but generally you're offering your service at a discount and a promotion and hopefully only a short period of time. You need to think of that because one, you want to make sure in the end you've generated additional business, you've generated referrals and continuing clients. So these things you have to monitor. When declaring all this income, you should always declare all your income separate so that you know how much income is from bartering, how much is Groupon, so that you know over the long run how much income that is generating and is it worth your time. You need to make sure, especially starting out, that you're making enough money to pay your bills. So don't put all your money and all your time in trade and bartering because you do need paid clients. Please remember to visit me on my website, www.bizbygeorgie.com, and my Facebook. Thank you for visiting, and please remember to come back later for the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting for Small Business with Georgie Klein. For more great information, visit her website at bizbygeorgie.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.